With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. While waiting in a car at a signal, an 80 kg man and his car suddenly accelerated to a velocity 5 meters per second due to rear-end collision by another vehicle. If the time of impact is 0.4 seconds, average force on the man is. So if I write down the average force, it is equals to the change in momentum by change in time. So if you see here, the mass is unchanged, right? So I will write down it is mass times of change in velocity by change in time. So if you see the change in velocity, initially they were at rest, right? And finally they start moving with 5 meter per second. So I will write down 5 minus 0, it is 5 meter per second. This is the change in velocity. Change in time already given in the question, it is 4 second. So put the value here. I will write down 80 into 5 upon 4. So it's 0 here. So I will remove the point and put a 0 here. So it is 20. So you can see very clearly that it is 1000 Newton. And this is the answer of this question. Now you can check for the option here. D is the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.